Nature's Garden Spring Rain Fragrance Oil. Enjoy the gentle downpour of this bright springtime accord. Spring rain comes in full bloom with hints of fresh greenery, enhanced with a bouquet of fresh florals including carnations, tiger lilies, alyssum, orchids, and roses. The rain clears to reveal a bright base of white musk. This fragrance is a best-seller. Our customers create refreshing products with this fragrance oil, including delicate decorative candles, saturating homemade soaps, precipitated bath and body products, and revitalizing room scents. Check out our free recipes and classes at naturesgardencandles.com. Nature's Garden, your fragrance oil leader.